Hello everyone, my name is Kriti Kulshrestha and I'm an HR by profession and a life coach by passion. अभी बज रहे हैं सुबह के 5:30 और हम निकल पड़े हैं गाजियाबाद से हमारी डेस्टिनेशन तहरी गरवाल की ओर। तहरी गरवाल एक सीनिक लोकेशन है उत्तराखंड में। ये 265 किलोमीटर है गाजियाबाद से। ये जर्नी हम अपनी टाटा नेक्सॉन ईवी से कवर करेंगे। So we reached our first pit stop at around 7 a.m. at Khatoli, where we top up the charge, गाड़ी का भी और अपना भी. By the time we had our breakfast, the car got charged. The charging point is conveniently located at a food court in Khatoli. ये सुबह 7 बजे भी खुला रहता है with multiple eating options. Very clean and hygienic. Recommended. After Khatoli, we reached our next pit stop at Dehradun around 12 noon. यहाँ टाटा मोटर्स पे गाड़ी को चार्जिंग पे लगा के हम लंच करने निकल गए। Our food has arrived. We ordered for mutton biryani, and these are the sides that have come with it. So Shreyas, how's the food?
Good. Mutton is tender and salan is amazing.
Oh my god, I can't wait to taste it too.
Sure.
So where we are actually, can you recommend or suggest people?
We are at Pawachi in Dehradun. So nice place and close to our Tata Motors where we are charging our EV right now. So by the time it gets charged, we have our lunch.
Aha, he got so lost in the food. Okay.
So this is where we had submitted our RT-PCR report. For guys who don't see travel as a option during the pandemic times, it's true, but we have taken our precautions. And this is where the checking happens.
It's rightly said. The journey is better than the destination, isn't it? So, we are about to reach our destination in Tehri. यहाँ हम द पेरू रिजॉर्ट में रुकेंगे। So finally at 2 p.m. we reached the Peru Resort. So this is the room that we got. Isn't it beautiful? Let's see the balcony view now. Isn't it so scenic? Enjoy some of our candid photos. Hope you liked the video. Do like, share and subscribe.